Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KSS Kohls. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, although I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say this, but just to build some context here, a good solid bounce. I mean, you stop thinking about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but then the price managed to close up there. Now, of course, the price and the chart still has a whole lot of work to do, but point here being, relatively speaking, from where the price was to where it was able to battle back up to, good solid bounce, but that does now bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at 53.50. Why is that level important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that area, behave like that, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. Now, don't, and I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine power or true strength. Again, to be fair, though, not every price movement can just go straight up. So maybe the price does come down here, difference being behaved in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 53.50. In terms of areas of resistance, first key level of resistance in the near term, going to be right there at 54.65. And then the next key level after that, going to be right up there at the highs from this morning, which sits at basically 56.50. So all in all, nice bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.